Hi guys, welcome to Modern Art School. In this video, we will learn about the basic drawing skill for preschool going kids. I am Vidushi, your favorite art teacher for the class. So let's get started. In our previous video, we talked about the basic shapes. In this video, I will teach you guys how to draw shapes more easily. To draw squares, you will take 4 small points like this. Then we will join it with straight lines. So here is our square. If we learn rectangular easily, we will point like this and we will join the arms like this. So with points we can create shapes. So for triangles, we'll take 3 points. Then we will join them. So here is our triangle. And for circle, we have to practice it freehandly. Like you will hold the pencil upward and slowly slide down to the paper, and you will keep circling. Then slowly you will get the desired circle. The more you will practice the circle, the more you can draw it freehandly. To make the shapes correct, you have to learn the making of straight lines in freehands without any scale. So shapes with freehand. So until the next video, keep practicing. And thanks for watching.